Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Instagram story highlights to tell your brand story and make a great first impression. Let's dive in. First, post stories that reflect your brand, behind the scenes, the product, testimonials, or values. Then after posting, go to your profile and tap the plus icon under your bio labeled new or highlights to create a highlight. Then select the stories that you want to add. Then here tap next. Here you can add a highlight name like new arrivals, reviews, about us, and more. Then tap the edit cover and upload a custom icon or choose a frame from your story. And tap add. And it will appear permanently on your profile. Organize the highlights in a way that walks visitors through who you are and what you offer. And that's how you use Instagram highlights to tell your brand story. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.